Hey there everyone, how we all doing today? Today we're taking a look at a Seiko Prospex, and this is a Seiko SRPJ93, and there you can see it on the box, and this one retails $5.95. This is an absolutely killer looking watch. You can see the waves on the back of the dial. This is the Patty edition, and you know, you see a lot of samurai and stuff, but this is a really cool one. I like the little feature here on the band, and on the band there, it's got the patty on it, Professional Association of Diving Instructors. So you got this blue silicone band, and then right there, what the abbreviation patty stands for. Just a very cool little detail. You see so many samurai and turtles, sometimes you take them for granted, but this watch is just beautiful, stunning. The blues and the blacks, everything here is done perfectly, including that little writing on the watch band. It is killer. And here you got your usual tsunami logo on the back of this samurai dive watch. This is a special edition, not a limited edition. Special edition, they produce it for a certain time period instead of having a certain number amount. And here with the light, you can kind of see that gradient. The highlighting of the water. What it looks like is the reflection of the water from when you're under the ocean surface and looking up. You see the ripples from the waves and the surface of the water. It's a really cool effect. I'm going to move the watch back and forth so you can see it. Again, this samurai was a wonderful surprise, and at the price of $5.95, with all the bigger budgeted Seikos coming out there, this one is really affordable if you think about it. The Seiko 5s are coming in at around 400 to about 500. So this one here, $5.95, really really good deal on this watch. I mean, it is, the blue is just perfect on it. Sometimes the blue can be a little garish, but this one here is done very nicely. And there you can see the surface of the water a little bit better. I'll move the watch around a little more so we can get a real good look at it. It's easier to see in person than on camera. You move it around and you'll see it. This watch uses their powerhouse, the 4R35, and that is 23 jeweled. They're saying about 41 hours, but it feels more like about a 40-hour time on there, the power reserve. And here you can see it moving it back and forth in the light. It's so hard to capture it, but it's done so lightly, and that's what makes it kind of cool. You see it just in certain angles, but it really does look like you're in the ocean looking up at the surface of the water. The case is stainless steel, and it's got a ceramic insert on the bezel. Here you can see it on my wrist. Samurai, we've done them before. Great size watch, 43.8 millimeter, and lug to lug you're looking at 48.7, and the thickness is 12.8 millimeter. Just a good looking watch. You wear this, it's going to get a lot of attention, especially with the Patty name written out on the band. Just really cool. It's got a sapphire crystal and magnifier. This is what they call a King Samurai. It's affectionately called, and that's because of the upgrades compared to the regular Samurai, which had the mineral crystal and just a regular metal bezel. The band is silicone, and the lugs, you got 22 millimeters there. And my wrist is a 7.5-inch wrist. Here we can see it on the dark, as always, killer lume, and the iconic markings there for the samurai. Easy to tell that watch apart from the others. And you can see there the little extra pip that they got on the little marker there at the 3 o'clock by the date. That's the new ISO standards to be ISO qualified, which is a diving